What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we're going to be doing an oil change on this 2019 Nissan Titan. Alright, first thing we're going to do here is we're going to open up this cap. Okay, we got that open. And while we're here, we're also going to pull this off. Just kind of get this out of the way. Alright, so there we have our oil cap removed. We're going to set that to the side. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lay out this tarp so that we can contain the mess if there is any. Okay, so up underneath here, we got to get this shroud out of the way. So we have a couple of screws here. One there, we got one over here, another two over here. So we're just going to go ahead and pull all of those screws out until we get the shroud down. Alright, so these are a 12 millimeter. Okay, once you get that out the way, you can see this is where the oil filter is located right there. And then if we slide a little further back here, this is where the drain plug is for the oil. So we just took the shroud off. That was a 12. We're gonna go ahead and take this off. This is a 14 and get this drained. So what's nice about this is you can get up under here, get all your work done without having to have this car lifted up in the air. So you don't have to use a lift to do this particular job, which is nice. Alright, so while the oil is draining, we're going to need to get this washer off of here. So just put something thin in there, kind of work it around to loosen it, and then we're going to just spin it off. Okay, so there's what the washer looks like. So you can see based off of how this is pressed, we'll get our lovely replacement here. You can see the section here. So we'll put this down towards the bottom, and now we're ready for reinstallation. Alright, we can see the drainage looking pretty good. We're going to go ahead and get that tightened up, and we're going to take off the oil filter. Alright, first thing we're going to do is loosen this filter. Okay, so now we got this loose. I'm going to use this. I'm going to tuck this up under here to help with the runoff. Try to keep things clean. And then I'm going to come in here and just unscrew this and have the oil drain out. Alright, now we got a new filter, so what we're going to do, we're going to open this up. Then we're going to take a little bit of oil and put it around this ring here. So we'll get some oil here. Okay, and now we're going to install the filter. Okay, with that complete, we're ready to pour the oil in. Now this takes 6.9 quarts of oil, so make sure you got enough oil for the job. Okay, level looks good. We're gonna go ahead, put the cap on, start it up, and make sure we don't have any leaks. Okay, since everything looks good, we're gonna go ahead and get this shroud back on and wrap up this job. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and reset the oil light. So on the steering wheel here, you're gonna want to go ahead and press the over button until we get to this screen. So once you're on the settings screen, you're gonna go down, and we're gonna go down to maintenance, and then we're gonna push into select. We're gonna select that oil and filter right there, hit enter, and then we're gonna go ahead and reset it. Yes, it has been reset. Now you can actually enter in how many miles you want for the next oil change to come up. So we're gonna go ahead and just throw 5,000 in here. So now you can see we're at 5,000. It's already been reset, so we're good to go there. All right, so as you saw, this job was pretty straightforward. The cool thing about this is you can actually do this in your driveway. You don't have to have a lift. Just get all the right parts, all the right tools, and you are good to go. As for this video, we're done. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.